Under subsection 2, subsection 49 rules of procedure, conduct of business of Goa Legislative Assembly, I am answering the following star LQs on the next sitting. That is star LQ number 1C will be answered on 7/8/2025 and star LQ 3 I am postponing to the next session. Under subsection 3 of subsection 49.
Which 3?
Star 49 read subsection 8, subsection 39 rules of procedure and conduct of business of Goa Legislative Assembly and powers that are vested. I am not providing the replies to the following LQs number 2A, 13B, 20B,
Because
20C, 20. Let me sit. You sit down. Under start LQ number 38, 57, 62, 94, 96, 127, 134 and start LQ number 152 as provided as per the rules and regulations of the House.
Every time आता मुगे 2A every time not subjudice म्हणजे किती speaker sir, there are elements there that don't have anything they do with us because speaker sir बोलायला आता
postpone question number
किती पोस्ट अरे सर why is this you are doing सगळे तेंगेला ऐकवता हम सांगते ऐकवता आता म्हणून speaker sir subjudice there are parts of the element which are not subjudice speaker sir town and speaker sir answer तो बोर्डाचो इशू आसा स्पीकर सर या बोर्डान बोर्डान कोड आसा हो क्वेश्चन केल्लो त्या क्वेश्चनाचो आन्सर दिवना हेजे कितला कशात स्पीकर सर
मतदान सांगणे सबज्युडाइज असल्यामुळे सबज्युडाइज असल्यामुळे मतदान सांगणे रे सबज्युडाइज असल्यामुळे आपण मतदान सांगणे
म्हाका कळना हांव कितें उलयता तेन्ना
सभागृहाचे कामकाज 10 मिनटां स्थगीत करता.